Hello, everyone. How's everybody doing? Hope you're all okay. I'm just hiding behind this watermelon. um, that's all I'm doing. But hope you're all blessed and happy and healthy and all that. Let's talk about AMD. AMD, the famous chip maker, semiconductor company. Now, today, with the news of Biden imposing new export restrictions on China with chip makers, is AMD a buy? It's currently trading at $84 right now. In the making of this video, it's like 84, going between 84, 83, 84, whatever. And I don't know. The 200-day moving average is $107. The 50-day moving average is $88. So it seems like it's at a discount. The PE is 36. It has $6 billion in cash, $3 billion in debt, so that's very good. Let's read you some news. The demand for semiconductor chips should continue to grow in several end markets thanks to the increasing popularity of hybrid work models and the growing dominance of artificial intelligence. AMD delivered impressive second quarter results on the back of persistent strength across all of the company's business segments. Increasing sales of the data center and embedded products have been largely enhancing the top line results. The semiconductor company has shown its confidence in other markets by reiterating its 2022 revenue guidance amid the weakening personal computer market. AMD has been seeing significant demand for its Ryzen and EPYC server processors. Boosting the Ryzen processor portfolio, the chipmaker recently announced the launch of Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors powered by the new Zen 4 architecture, which will be available from September. So as of now, AMD stock seems to be a decent option to invest in. Overall, the street is cautiously optimistic about the stock and has a moderate buy consensus rating based on 19 buys, 8 holds, and 1 sell. Further, Wells Fargo analyst Aaron Rakers recently reiterated a buy rating on the AMD stock. His price target of $130 represents 65.1% upside potential. Intel, on the other hand, posted disappointing earnings results for the second quarter, with both revenue and earnings declining from the year-ago period. The company has been grappling with higher costs, supply chain disturbances, and cutthroat rivalry in the semiconductor space. While AMD is busy expanding its market share, Intel has been struggling to launch its latest chips in the high-potential server market, citing the sluggish PC market as a concern. Intel also slashed its full year guidance. Nvidia saw substantial losses in its second quarter. AMD boasted a 70% rise in year-over-year revenue. The increase was primarily fueled by a 32% rise in gaming revenue. The stark difference between the company's gaming segments comes from the difference between the gaming PC and console market. Nvidia's gaming revenue is comprised of GPU sales to PC gamers, with a portion made from providing chips to Nintendo's Switch console. I'm not a gamer. I don't know. Console. I'm surprised I'm not a gamer. I feel like everyone's a gamer. Became very popular. I haven't played a video game in seriously 20 years. I haven't PlayStation or any of that. I haven't played a video game in like 20 years. Maybe even longer, yeah. But anyway, let me continue reading. AMD's segment is far more diverse, with revenue coming from PC, GPU sales, and semi-custom products. It provides for consoles such as Microsoft's Xbox, Sony's PlayStation, and Valve's Stream Deck. In 2021, the Nintendo Switch sold 8.2 million units, while the Xbox Series XS sold about 8.7 million, and the PlayStation 5 sold 11.5 million. AMD's rise in gaming revenue shows that its ability to diversify the segment has played to its advantage. The PC market is in a slump with multiple tech companies feeling the effects. Despite significant gains in revenue in its second quarter, AMD's Q3 revenue projection of $6.7 billion versus analyst expectations of $6.81 billion due to decreased PC demand caused its stock to fall 10.2% in August. However, its gaming segment isn't the only part of its business, strengthened by its diversification. While NVIDIA's business is 30% gaming and 56.7% data centers, AMD's is a much more evenly split between its four segments. In Q2 2022, AMD's revenue was 22% data centers, 32.8% clients, 25% gaming, and 19% embedded products. There is no doubt that NVIDIA and AMD have suffered at the hands of the declining PC market. However, AMD seems more capable of propping up its business with its other segments. NVIDIA's dependence on PC sales and the volatility in the cryptocurrency market make it a less reliable stock. Additionally, AMD said in a 2022 earnings call that it had gained market share for 9 consecutive quarters, having taken share from Intel, illustrating its growing dominance in the market. Its consistent growth and variety of succeeding segments suggest AMD is the better buy over NVIDIA. So it's better over NVIDIA, better over Intel, says the people on the interweb. But there's more news. AMD today announced it is joining the newly created PyTorch Foundation as a founding member. The foundation will be part of the nonprofit Linux Foundation, and it will drive adoption of artificial intelligence tooling by fostering and sustaining an ecosystem of open source projects with PyTorch, the machine learning software framework originally created and fostered by Meta. As a founding member, AMD joins others in the industry to prioritize the continued growth of PyTorch's vibrant community, supported by innovations such as the AMD ROC open software platform, AMD Instinct accelerators, adaptive SoCs, and CPUs. AMD will help the PyTorch Foundation by working to democratize? Help me out. State-of-the-art tools, libraries, and other components to make these machine learning innovations accessible to everyone. I'm just going to not read this article anymore. You get the idea. You can find this article at Globe Newswire. And that's actually all the articles I have right now. So, I don't know, that's a long enough video of me blathering. So, that's just my take on AMD. Not really my take. Well, my personal opinion is I think buying AMD right now, just little chunks at a time, little just 10, 20 shares here and there, average down. That's going to be my goal with AMD. I don't know about your goal, but I am definitely going to be buying AMD, but just in that way. I'm going to be just little shares here and there and just average down if it goes down. I see it as a great opportunity to get in. So let me know what you all think. And I hope everyone has a lovely, lovely evening. Ta-ta.